Hello everyone. This is Editor Cat here to add some more depth or some lore or whatever to keep people interested in my videos or his videos. I don't know. Blue Knight Cat had the amazing idea to separate the editor and me. So then, yeah, every time there'll be a few editor notes in my videos, and I'm thinking of getting a profile picture so that while I'm talking, the editor is talking. I can move that around to keep you guys interested. So that's just a little heads up. Now, begin the video. Guys, this is gonna be a short video mainly because this is just for my friends. They don't know how to make a video, so then I'm just gonna show them how. Now, first thing you wanna do is get AZ Recorder, this app right here. And then as you can see, I'm still making a new Minecraft video, so expect that video soon. And then what you want to do is go to settings, set your resolution to full HD, 1080p, and then video quality 16 megabytes per second, and then frame rate 60 FPS. I can't go any higher since I have to pay. Then orientation audio source right now it's internal and microphone since I'm using my voice, so I want you guys to hear me. But then if you are playing games that you don't want people to hear your voice, then you can just say internal audio, stuff like that. And then recording mode, I said advanced, and then turn off battery protection so that your screen recorder doesn't suddenly just stop. And then guess who's back, guys? Guess who's back? Yeah, it's the editor Cat here. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't hear this while I was recording. Actually, it didn't even happen while I was recording. But for some reason, now that I'm playing the recording, there was this ad at the bottom right now. As you can see, it get caught in the best free on Spotify, right? Well, while making the video, there was no noise, but now there is for some reason. So then it blocks out my voice since it's so loud. I really don't know how that happened. So then I'm here to fix that. Now I'm just gonna tell you, just copy the settings you see on screen right now. Yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to say. Sorry for the inconvenience, and continue with the video. Boom. Yeah, I like this. And in 3 seconds, yeah, that's it. So then, once you get your videos from recording, what you want to do right now, since my friends aren't really that good, they can't use a light motion right now. So what you want to do is go to Capcut. Yeah, please no. Okay, now, wait, Capcut has ads now. I haven't used this in so long, mainly because I haven't posted. But again, new video. So then, yeah, again, I share the phone with my grandmother. So then I'm just gonna pick at random. I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, this one looks good. And as you can see, this is like a recording. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Sorry for not posting for almost 3 weeks. I'm pretty sure it's 3 weeks right now. I've been busy with stuff. And I'm just joking. I'm really lazy, but I'll try to work on that. So then today we'll be playing some. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And then what you want to do is, if you want music for your videos, what you're going to do, right, is go back to the recording app. If you want to get music for some clips, go to the app, go to what I was saying here. It's back. Yeah, the Spotify thing was back. I was just saying, turn your audio source from microphone and internal audio to just internal audio. That's it. Audio source to, oh my gosh, to internal audio instead, and no microphone. Then you can just go to YouTube, search for the song you want, but make sure it's not copyrighted. Make sure it's not copyrighted. Yeah, make sure it's not copyrighted. And then just search for, I like to use NCS songs since there's no copyright there. You just pick a song that you like and then you start playing it while recording. That's pretty much it. And then after recording, you stop recording. If you want to add audio, oh my gosh. Again, I'm glad I can pause now. So that means I will no longer have to cut in a light motion. But seriously, CapCut now has ads for edit. Wait, I wanted to add audio. Yeah. Then you can go to, where is it? Extract 3 uses. Only 3 uses. What the? Only three? The hell do you mean only 3 uses? Oh, wow. Oh, wait, no. Only 3 uses. I am so glad I made the jump to a light motion. But for the time being, since this is for my friends, yeah, once you recorded the song, you know what? I'm gonna take this one right here. It's not a song, but it's a sound effect I recorded. And then I'm just you can also adjust the volume of your but look, I've used Align Motion. Yeah, you can also adjust the volume. I'm just gonna put it to 0 so you guys can
You what?
you see. There you go. And then if you want to add some text, you can just add text right there. Add text. I'm gonna say balls, I guess. You can also change the font and the style. I like blue text. See, and then the stroke. I have no idea what this is. Glow. I like it to glow a little bit. Yeah, I like this. I like this. And then background. I normally use this when yeah, when I'm showing a song. But yeah, shadow. Nah. Yeah, there you go. Balls. Then there you go. You want to add text. There you go. If you want to add a transition, all you have to do is just split. Wait, all you have to do is just split, and then there has to be a button right there. See that button with the line in between, and then there you go. Just click on the one you like. Boom. See? Or you can try this one. Yeah, let's try the stretch one. Yeah, you see. So then, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then after you're done, you just export. It should take a while, but then you can play some video games or record another video or watch some YouTube. I accidentally pressed the export button. Um since you can, as long as CapCut is running in the background, your should export. I mean, your phone is gonna be slower since it's running in the background, but still, it's better than nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you wanna make a video, that's really it. Well, subscribe to the channel if this helped you, and I'll see you guys in my next Minecraft video. Bye.